Congratulations.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah. Are you self-employed yet, or you got a day job and you're hustling on the side of it?
Yeah.
Wow. Well done. How long did that take you?
I was just now starting to build it up.
Yep.
I'm starting to make money off it.
Yep.
Probably about, I think, 6 months.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Man, that's awesome.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. It's a long journey.
You got a long way to go.
Yeah.
You got Hell's Valley to go through yet. Self-employed, you have this. You had your entrepreneurial seizure, right? You're like, I'm tired of working for other people, making money for other people. I need to start doing my own thing. So now you're going to be busting that. That's just great. Got that feeling, I own everything. I'm conquering the world. Then you're going to be like, I'm tired. Shit, I have to do everything. This is like 80 hours a week. And it's like, I work 40 hours a week. Hi, I remember my first part-time job too. It's real. I own this. I grew this up for 15 years. I did the exact same thing you did. I said, forget who I'm working for. I got to do my own thing. 1 to 8 employees sucks worse than working for yourself. It's not until you get to that 8, 9, 10 employees that you actually, your life radically improves. So go in knowing that, right? If you set yourself up right, then you can get through Hell's Valley very quickly. But it has to be a conscious effort. That means don't take in any money out of the company besides your salary while you're building up, because you really don't want to shortchange yourself. If you're extracting your dividends and you're pulling cash out, as opposed to just your salary you're paying yourself, that's going to kind of neuter your ability to grow and get past that Hell's Valley point. Make sense? So what you gotta do is you gotta set your sights on $1 million. You need 1 million in annual revenue. And then you get to the life that you thought you'd have as an entrepreneur. That's when you get it.